So hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Harswal, legal advisor at ILG. Welcome to ILG. Today in this video, I am going to discuss with you another legal topic. So let's start the discussion without any further delay. So the discussion will be on special leave jurisdiction, in which Supreme Court of India has given a decision on the same. So what the Supreme Court of India has said, that let's find out in this video. So, special leave jurisdiction should not be used to bypass High Court except in specific situations. The Supreme Court of India said that in this case, the name of the case is Jinni and others versus Shibu, Matthew and another. So, the Supreme Court of India in a May 14th judgment observed that parties would not be allowed to invoke special leave jurisdiction to bypass remedies available at the High Court level, except in two specific situations. A bench of A.S. Bopanna and Dipankar Datta explained that as a matter of practice, the top court entertains special leave petitions or SLP without the High Court being approached only when there is a substantial question of general importance or a similar issue is pending for consideration. The power to grant leave under Article 136 of Constitution of India itself being discretionary. This court would not allow a party invoking the special leave jurisdiction to bypass the remedy available at the level of High Court without the two situations as aforesaid being satisfied, the order stated. And further, the court was hearing a contempt petition to punish the respondents for willful disobedience of a order of the top court passed in a special leave petition, finally deciding a property dispute. The SLP had put parties to the dispute between the parties, while marginally enhancing compensation granted to the respondents who were ordered to hand over possession of the disputed property. So I hope you understood what I have discussed in this video. For more updates, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.